They're very powerful boats. I don't know why. Maybe they just don't want to hit all the
That's not the bug.
You already posted it?
Yeah, it's gonna do Wait, Ken.
Yeah. What? On Facebook, I can do anything.
Well guys, another video from Haulover Beach Inlet. This was this past week, and a few nice yachts and boats. So like I've been telling you the past couple of months, the channel is not doing great, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to continue no matter that I have 250,000 followers. Sounds crazy, but it's true. Shorts have ruined YouTube and has brought a lot of new subscribers, but they don't see videos. So well, this is something that is happening, and for us to sustain all this and go out and film, it's getting tougher all the time. So for now, this is all. More complaints, but I hope you kind of like this past video. So for now, again, thanks for watching. Remember to always leave a comment below, and that is gonna be the only way for me to survive here. So thanks for watching, and I will see you hopefully on another video. Take care.